costly product marketing process that too in online takes a lot of time to make profit. So don't lose your hope and stay motivated during the process. If you are going to follow my blueprint and my valuable tips that I have suggested throughout this course, then a massive success in online marketing is at your doorstep. For example, let me give you 2 or 3 main challenges in online sales marketing and how you can overcome them. Once you choose the product marketing journey, complete it fully, don't get diverted. The first thing is generating traffic and leads. Many marketers are struggling these days to produce high quality content. So make sure you're creating high quality content with new ideas like video lectures, animation videos, and anything that attracts attention. The second main advantage that most of the marketer faces targeting international audience. Targeting is the key tool of all aspects of marketing. So the first thing all marketer needs to do is identify their right buyers. There are some really useful tips in this course, so please do follow it. Finally, be sure you're optimizing your website for international visitors as well. This would be one of the most important thing you need to do. Always aim higher. The last challenge in training your team is using our software. As companies and technologies continue to evolve each single day, training the team would be a greater challenge for all marketers. We update the software frequently, so get updated with the information regarding the software and use it wisely. So if you are following these 3 important rules, you can easily succeed in online product marketing.